Hey everyone, and welcome back. Need to streamline how your team handles tickets? Let me show you how to create support workflows in Zendesk. First, map out your process stages like new, open, pending, and solved. Use triggers to automate the start. Create one that assigns new tickets to the right group based on issue type. Set up automations for time-based actions. For example, auto follow-up on pending tickets after 72 hours. Create macros for common responses. Each macro can update fields, add tags, and change status in one click. Use ticket forms for different issue types. Each form shows only relevant fields. Finally, track everything with custom views like unassigned, high priority, so agents always know what to work on next. And that's it. With triggers, automations, macros, and views, you've built a smooth support workflow. If you set up workflows in Zendesk, let me know your most important step in the comments. See you in the next one.